Today I will show you how to make this. Open Filmora Video Editor. Import a video that you want to edit. And another video of green screen. Drag and drop into the timeline. Drop green screen video above the main clip. Double left click on the green screen video. And go to Chroma Key. Now you will see that the green screen removed automatically. Just set the settings according to your video. You can also add animations, colors, and many more. Finally, you are all done. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.